Time is our most precious commodity. That's why we try to save it however we can. Helping your kids do their homework while preparing lunch. No worries. Creating sweet treats and cleaning up any mess in one go? Easy. Preparing different meals for different tastes in parallel? No way. Oh yes, it's possible. Experience the new Thermomix Friend. This complementary device to your Thermomix enables you to cook in parallel, halving your cooking efforts and doubling the wow. Featuring a base with an integrated heating system and temperature sensor, Thermomix Friend cooks, stirs, simmers, then steams, while Thermomix takes care of the rest. Want to spoil your family or friends and still enjoy quality time with them? It's made possible with Thermomix and Thermomix Friend.